Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore the US versus Iran aerial showdown and ask, can Iran's MiG-29 fighter jets really go head-to-head with the most advanced US warplanes? It's a question that takes us back to a jet built for a very different era of air combat. Iran's Air Force relies heavily on aircraft acquired in the 1990s, including the Soviet-designed MiG-29 Fulcrum. These jets serve as a primary interceptor for point defense missions over critical infrastructure. While capable, the fleet faces significant challenges due to decades of international sanctions. Tehran has attempted domestic upgrades, but the core airframes remain fourth-generation technology. The MiG-29 is renowned for its exceptional maneuverability and high thrust-to-weight ratio. It can perform aggressive 9G turns and high angle-of-attack maneuvers that challenge even modern jets. In a close-range dogfight, its helmet-mounted sighting system and R-73 missiles make it a dangerous opponent. This agility remains its most significant tactical asset in visual combat. The United States operates fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. These aircraft utilize advanced stealth coatings and shapes to remain virtually invisible to enemy radar. An Iranian MiG-29 would likely be targeted and engaged long before its pilot could detect the American aircraft. This technological gap fundamentally changes the nature of any potential engagement. Most of Iran's MiG-29s use older mechanical pulse Doppler radars with limited detection ranges. In contrast, US modern fighters are equipped with active electronically scanned array or AESA radars. AESA systems can track multiple targets simultaneously, resist jamming, and detect enemies at vastly greater distances. This sensor disparity gives US pilots a decisive first look, first shot advantage. Modern air combat is often decided before pilots ever see each other. US fighters carry the AIM-120D AMRAAM, a missile capable of hitting targets from over 160 kilometers away. Iran's inventory relies on older Russian R-27 or R-77 missiles, which have shorter effective ranges and lower reliability. This range disadvantage forces Iranian pilots into a purely defensive posture. Decades of sanctions have severely restricted Iran's ability to import genuine spare parts. The Air Force often relies on cannibalizing older aircraft or reverse engineering components to keep the MiG-29s flying. This leads to lower operational readiness rates compared to the well-funded logistics of the US Air Force. Sustaining a high-intensity conflict would be logistically difficult for Tehran. While the MiG-29 is a capable machine, a direct, symmetrical fight with US air power is unlikely to favor Iran. The combination of stealth, advanced sensors, and superior networking allows US forces to dominate the airspace. Iran's strategy would likely focus on asymmetric tactics, using ground-based air defenses rather than relying solely on fighter-to-fighter combat. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come.